Hello guys, let's try my food. Okay, this is so yummy. I try this. I make this. Look, this I got a Milo, a jumpy cotton candy, and this is and I got this. I don't add that. I just put in here and done. Try it. If you're on Handong, just try it. Yes, try it. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Yummy? So yummy. Eat it. Yummy. Eat it. So yummy. It's so yummy. This. I put the like this. I put in the here, and I just put the Milo in here, and the candy. So yummy. Yummy. If you wanna try it, this is not half Milo. I make it. Just go on my house, and this is what I'm gonna give you. I'm from Philippines. So yummy. We don't have school today, but tomorrow I have. Eat it. Yummy. No yummy. Okay. Let's put it in here and eat it. Ooh. Just popping in here. So yummy guys, just pop in. If it's not yummy, just put it in a fridge and then if you have a store, just buy a Milo topping.